Bonus presentation. There are a couple factors you want to be aware of here. The first one is the instant value. Second is objection-based. Third is greed triggering. Fourth is scarcity infused. So let's break down each and every one of these. Instant value. Here's the deal. Can you turn your bonus into a headline that is so compelling to the customer that they want it just from the headline? You know how we talk about creating headlines based on hooks for the whole overall narrative and flow of your offer? Well, we should put in as much effort, if possible, into the headline for the bonus itself. Each bonus is treated as a very powerful, separate product with its own hook and its own grab and its own compellingness. So this is one of the ways that as soon as somebody hears about a bonus, they can feel the instant value that takes place. So we typically go headline and then bullets, 3 to 5 benefit plus curiosity-based statements to compel the customer to find out the answer. And I'll show you examples of these. But we give the bonus a sexy headline, and then we say benefit, 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 benefit in bullet point format, and then optionally we tie it down with some proof. We say, why should they believe this bonus is even half as good as you claim it to be? Well, here's why. Because this person had this result with it, or because I achieved this result with it, or just look at the bonus. Look at all the moving parts involved in the bonus. Those are the types of things that can make them believe the promise of the headline and the benefits associated to the bullet points.